Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Wondershare PDFelement for Windows, an all-in-one PDF tool that makes working with PDF files very easy. Let's start. First of all, what is Wondershare PDFelement? Wondershare PDFelement is a complete PDF editing software for Windows. It allows you to create, edit, convert, and manage PDF files just like Word documents. You can edit text and images, add comments, sign documents, and protect files with passwords. It is perfect for students, office users, and business professionals. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of Wondershare PDFelement. Edit PDF easily, change text, images, and links. Create and convert PDFs. Convert PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. OCR technology. Turn scanned PDFs into editable text. Annotate PDFs. Highlight, comment, and add notes. Fill and sign forms. Create and sign PDF forms. Password protection. Keep your documents secure. Batch processing. Work on multiple PDFs at the same time. So, who can benefit most from it? Wondershare PDFelement is helpful for students working on assignments, office and business professionals, teachers and researchers, freelancers and remote workers, anyone who works with PDF files daily. Now, one of the most common questions is it safe to use? Yes, Wondershare PDFelement is safe to use. It is developed by Wondershare, a trusted software company with millions of users. Your files stay private, and the software does not harm your system or data. Now, how to use it. Using this software is very simple. Follow these steps. Install PDFelement on your Windows PC. Open the software and load your PDF file. Choose Edit, Comment, or Convert from the toolbar. Make changes like editing text or adding images. Save your file or export it to another format. With just a few clicks, your PDF work is done. Now, if you want to unlock all features and remove watermarks, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So this was a quick review of Wondershare PDFelement for Windows. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.